I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I even had enough to make a little baby, little Italian casserole. But look at this. You all, you can see how much love was put into this. I want you to make this with me. You ready? Come on, let's go. Well, we're going to be using quite a few things to get this pantry, quick, fast, easy meal together. You all, I pulled out just about everything in the pantry to get this together. Now, this is really one of those families hungry, let's get something together types of meals. I don't even have a name for this, but I have the hamburger cooking on top of the stove now. I'm getting ready to simmer the onions and the bell peppers. I did that ahead of time because I'm kind of trying to do this quick. Now I have some rigatoni, olive oil, W sauce, diced tomatoes, lemon juice, ragu, beef broth. I have some ketchup, tomato paste, lemon pepper, sugar, oregano, Italian seasoning, basil. This is my favorite Italian seasoning. I'm all out of this, but I'm gonna use every bit of it. If you all can order this, you all get some of this. It has everything good in it. I have some onion powder and garlic powder. Now I'm getting ready to put the rigatoni on, and I'm going to show you some of the next steps. All right, here we go, everybody. Now, I'm going to do something that some of you might not agree with. I like to put a little oil in the water when I'm boiling the noodles. I know that some people do and some people don't, but I'm just going to put a little in there just so it won't stick. Ooh, I think I'm going to get it from you all for doing this. Putting the oil in. I'm just like, where you? Leave it out. V, leave it out. V, leave it out. Well, I'm just going to put it in there. It's not going to hurt anything. Alright, so let's let these come to a boil. Now the hamburgers cooking over here, and we're going to start adding stuff to the hamburger. In the meantime, that's going to boil. Now here I'm going to add some beef broth. I'm going to start off with a little bit. I say that could be about half a cup. Now, I already took the grease out of the hamburger. You know, this would be really good with some Italian sausage, if you have Italian sausage. I still don't know what I'm going to call this. And this is the green pepper. Now, I'm going to let all this get all nice and friendly together. And we're going to start adding more of our seasonings. Well, you know what? Because of time, you all, I'm going to start doing it right now. So, I have this. Ooh, you guys, don't be mad at me for doing this. I love this. I'm going to put this whole thing in here. This is everything happy. All right, put this in here and let this get all toasty. And I'm going to start lining up the rest of the seasonings. Now let's start putting our seasonings in. Garlic powder, onion powder. This is my favorite Italian seasoning. It has everything in it. It even has a little bit of Parmesan cheese in it. It's so flavorful. It's delicious. Let's put some oregano. Just everything you can imagine that's going to make this flavorful. This is some Italian seasoning. Well, I got this from the dollar store. They have the best seasonings there. You don't want to spend a whole lot of money. Basil. Some more Italian flavor. Now this is a yes or no, but I just like that tangy taste. So I'm going to put some lemon pepper in there. I'm going to put some pepper. I'm going to add more pepper towards the end. Just a dash of salt. We're watching our salt and some W sauce. Good. Okay, now let's let this all get really friendly. Then I'm going to put some more beef stock in here. Beef broth. Be right back. Let's go ahead and add the beef broth. I think it's better to add beef broth than adding water because you get more flavor. Just do it slowly. Don't just dump it all in at once. I just tend to put just a little bit at a time. That was probably half cup. So far I've put half cup, put like 2 cups so far. Now, I'm gonna let this cook some more and I'll be right back. Look at this. All right, now it is time to put tomato paste. I'm going to start off with 2 scoops of tomato paste. Work this in. Oh my gosh, I wish you all could smell this. Then I'm going to put my ketchup. I don't know, Grandmama did it, so I'm doing it. Put my ketchup in there. I can't even begin to tell you why I put ketchup in there. It's just something that she did, so I'm going to do it because she did it. Right, I might need to add some more tomato paste, but I'm going to wait. Now, what do you think, you guys? So far, so good? Now, these are some petite sliced, or diced, I'm sorry, petite diced tomatoes. And this is so good when you're eating any type of sauce and you just have a little burst. This burst of tomatoes, Lord have mercy. When you taste it, this would really be good with some Italian sausage. Lord have mercy, but I just didn't have any. Yeah, this is gonna need some more tomato paste. I'll put some more in there. So that's about, what, 4 scoops so far? We'll see. Look at that. Now, like I said, it's semi-homemade. I'm gonna put some more tomatoes in there. Lord, I might as well use the whole can, you all, right? Just use the whole can, goodness. What size can is this? This is a 28-ounce can. Oh my, oh my. This is coming together. All right, let's let all that get friendly. Let's see what's going to happen. All right, it's time to add some of the sauce. Wow, I wish you all could smell this here. Now, I know it's not homemade, it's semi-homemade, which is just kind of like I like it, just semi-homemade. Sometimes when you have time to do everything homemade, just go ahead and do it. But when you don't have time, you gotta throw something together when everybody's hungry. Now, I'm gonna put a little sugar. That was just a little bit, just for flavor. All right, now I'm gonna cover the, oh, let me stir this. Stir this in. You all, this really looks so good. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put some more pepper. And then put the top on here. Our noodles aren't done yet. They're still over there getting all ready. All right, I'm going to put the top on here. Just let this cook for about, I say about 15, 20 minutes. One of the final steps, I like to add some extra virgin olive oil. I also like to add lemon juice. I guess when you all see me making things, I love the flavor of lemon and everything. That virgin oil gives this a wonderful gloss, and it even adds to the flavor. This is doing really well. Look at this, you all. Ooh, Lord have mercy. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone for now. Now, right about now, our rigatoni is looking great. It's ready to be removed. I'm going to pour the liquid off, and then we'll get started putting this all together. Ooh, look at that. Ta-da! This is all ready now. It's looking good. Okay, guys, we're going to put this all together in a casserole dish, and we're going to have a lot left over, so I'm going to show you later what to do with leftover spaghetti sauce. All right, here we go. Okay, so here is the fun part. We're going to start layering our casserole here. I'm still not sure what to call this, but it's going to be delicious. So I'm going to put this here, and then wipe this off. Just want it to look neat. Then I'm going to put some cheese. Let's see. Just kind of layer it. Okay, that's that layer. Then put our, oh, I'm sorry. Put this over here. Our noodles. Here. Get the idea, you all. And then spread this out, because I don't want this to be dry. I had some leftover sauce over here. I'm going to pour some of the sauce. And add some more. This. Then I'm going to do one more layer. Make sure it gets down in there. Press it. Press it in there. What do you think, you all? Is this something you would do with your family? You think they'd like this? We definitely have a whole bunch of sauce left. I'm gonna show you something that I'm gonna do with that. All right, I'm gonna do this one more time. It's gonna be kind of puffy, but I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, everybody. I have piled this up so much. This is gonna be final layer here. Now, again, I don't know what to call this, but why don't you help me out with a name? I'll put some in the corners. Could it be an Italian casserole or pasta beef casserole? Pasta, I don't know. By the time this is all together, we'll come up with something. All right, now I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. That always adds to the flavor. And then let's spread this out. Make sure, you all, my hands are clean. I'm sorry if it bothers anybody. Then once again, I'm going with what grandmama used to do. Oops, she would, and she did stuff like this, especially with sweet potatoes. Oh my God, she would crumble up some butter whenever there was some cheese on top. Or she did this a lot of times for everything. Put some butter on top, and as it's baking in the oven, just adds the crispiness when it comes out. All right, you all, we're gonna put this in the oven. Let's see what we come up with. Oh, the oven is set for 350, and I'm going to bake this for about, I say 30 minutes. Ooh, okay, guys. Oh boy, fresh out the oven. Let me get a close up for you. Look at this. Oh, it's still bubbling. Oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. It's still hot. Let me see. Maybe I can show you a little bit of, should I wait? Ooh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to take some of this out. Okay, I'm gonna put some of this on a plate. Gosh, this looks good. Oh. Whoop, that's gonna be my corner right there because I have totally destroyed this thing. Okay, I'm getting ready to plate this after it cools, and I'll be back.